Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this KBethos beanie. This is the KBethos Men Knit Winter Warmers hat. It's basically like your, standard slouchy beanie hat, I guess you could call it. Yeah, KBethos, they've been around for quite a while now. A lot longer than I probably know. But I know I used to wear them a lot back in the day. They make a lot of really great beanies, and I used to just wear beanies a lot. So they were always my favorite. I have a bunch of them, and this is actually one of the older ones that I had, and to this day it's still really, really great. It's lasted me quite a while, and it's been through a few things as well. I do live out in LA, so it's hot most of the time. Although there are times where it does get a little colder, especially during the winter, and so that's usually when I'll bust it out. And then beyond that, I'll take it if I'm ever going to the snow. So basically, if I'm ever, going up to Big Bear to go snowboarding or skiing or whatever, I'll take this thing up there. So it's definitely been through the snow for years now. And even to this day, it still has held up really, really well. More than most of my other beanies, especially in terms of shape. I feel like a lot of beanies really just kind of stretch over time, become a little loose, a little, the point of a good beanie is it's supposed to be a little tighter on the head, or at least a little more form-fitting, I guess you could say. And it's supposed to, stay on your head. And a lot of the other beanies that I've had over the years have kind of just, a lot of my other beanies have fallen to the wayside in terms of their shape. And this one hasn't, which is great. It is made of a thermal acrylic fabric. It's very, very thick, very, very warm, and much thicker than some of the other beanies that I've owned. Definitely not as thick or as warm as like a wool beanie, but it's still, this is what makes it a little bit cheaper. In a good thing, like a little less inexpensive, not cheap feeling. Because it feels really, really nice too. It is a one-size-fits-all, I believe. Check it. Yeah, one size. You can see it right there. What I do like about this, though, is that sometimes they'll say one-size-fits-all with certain hats and certain beanies especially. They'll be really small. And I have definitely like a larger head. I also have just a lot of hair. And so, I need a beanie that is a little bit larger. And so I like that even with like this one size fits all thing, it's definitely a little bit bigger. I can really just, I can fit my whole head in it pretty easily. It's not too tight. It doesn't ride up too high on my forehead. That's like a lot of other problems. A lot of other beanies I have problems with. They ride up really high on my forehead because they're too small. So I like this one. I don't have to deal with that at all. As for this cuff right here, so it does have a natural cuff. It folds over and it's supposed to be like that. Some beanies you kind of have to make your own cuff because they're not built that way. But this one, it does come with that. The cool thing is somehow they've done it so it basically just folds that way, because there's not, you can't see any like stitching or anything in there, which typically I feel like when you're dealing with these kinds of beanies, you do see like a stitch that's like outlined along this, and basically if you unfold it, you'll see that, so it looks really dumb. Cool thing is, if you do need to have more of your beanies, say it's really cold, or maybe you're going snowboarding and you really want to wear the entire thing down on your head, you can absolutely do that, and you won't see the stitching or anything on it, which is nice. I don't know if they did it. Yeah, I'm not really sure. They were really good at hiding it, obviously. Overall, the beanie's got a really, really sleek and simple look. This is kind of why I got it. I love the fact that it's just a plain black. I feel like it's also just hard to find really classic plain black beanies that are good like this. And I just really love it. It's great for winter activities. Like I said, it's very, very warm. If you are looking for a beanie just to wear as like, I don't know, maybe like an accessory or something in the springtime or summertime, would not really recommend this one just because it is a little thick for that, especially if you're living in somewhere that has a warmer climate. So, you know, definitely for colder or maybe snow-related activities. Yeah, other than that, that's all I got to say. Again, this is the KBethos Men Knit Winter Warmers hat, Winter Warmers beanie, and yeah, definitely go check it out if you're looking for a good beanie for this winter. Alrighty, y'all, take it easy.